Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So this is a quick tour of the pre-made templates and you can use them to create stunning videos in minutes. So before we get started, you'll want to make sure you have already set your logo colors and the brand elements under brand preset so that they get pulled in whenever you start working on your video. So you can also add your team members under the team settings so that they can collaborate with you and can also create their own perfect videos. So as you can see, this is the home screen of InVideo and there are multiple options like pre-made templates, then we have text to video, then we have blank canvas. Also here, as you can see, you can select multiple format like 16:9, then square 1:1, then 9:16, that's vertical. Okay, so for this video I'm going to select wide, that is 16:9. So as you can see, there are multiple pre-made templates here. You can choose any of those. Okay, so one for laptop, then we have for gaming, then there are different ready-made templates. I'll just select view all. So as you can see here, so there are like hundreds and thousands of templates you can use. So we have for energy drinks, then we have for training minds, then we have for restaurants. Okay, so here you can select multiple templates. So for this video I'm just going to select a simple template, so that is going to be a marketing template. So I'll just preview it and I'll show you how it looks like. So I'll just select the 16:9 version. So here, as you can see, this is the main editor here. So this video is comprised of different scenes you can select from. So on the left hand side, as you can see, there are multiple templates. Then we have the upload option here, which you can select. So then we have the videos. So this is the library of videos. So these are all copyright free videos here. Also we have options for images you can select from. Also you can add music to your video. So these are all royalty free music. So then we have the text option. So these are all different text format you can use in your video. So then we have the logo, then overlays, then we have shapes. So that there are different options you can use. So for this video I'm just going to select the text here and I'm just going to edit the text. So you just have to select the text, you have to rewrite the text. See here, as you can move the text all over the layout here. You can also change the format of the text directly from here. You can change the color, you can change the background color, you can make the text bold. So I'll just try to add an image. So I'll just try to change the background image. So as you can see, you just have to drag and drop it on the scene here and the image will be changed. So as you can see, the background image has been changed. Now let's go to the next scene. Okay, suppose if you want to change this image, you just have to drag and drop it and click on replace. So as you can see, the image has been replaced. So you can also change the text here. So for this video I'm just going to keep it as it is. Now I'll just show you overlays options here. So there are multiple filters here, overlays which you can use in your video. So I'm just going to select a random one and I'm just going to give you a demo on how you can use this overlay option. So as you can see, so this is the overlay here. You can also decrease the opacity of this overlay so that it doesn't appear very bright. So you just have to go to opacity and decrease the opacity and automatically the brightness will be reduced of the overlay. So now similarly you can do it for the other scenes also. So once everything is done, just click on download and you have to click on export. So that's all. So there you have it. In just few steps you can create wonderful videos. So if you don't already have InVideo, so there is the link in the description to their website. So click on the link and start creating wonderful video. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.